In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Onedrive error code 0x8004de44. Now, if you've ever encountered this issue, you're not alone. It's a rather common problem that can disrupt your workflow and cause quite a bit of frustration. Fortunately, fixing it is usually pretty straightforward. So, let's dive in and get your Onedrive running smoothly again. First things first, this error typically appears when there's an issue with your sign-in credentials or some network-related setback. Our initial step is to ensure that your Microsoft account credentials are correct. Open your Onedrive and if it prompts you to sign in, carefully enter your email and password. Be sure to do this without any spelling errors, as an incorrect input could easily trigger this error. If those details are correct, but the error persists, the next thing we want to look at is your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that the network you're using is stable and reliable. Internet hiccups could definitely cause Onedrive to throw this error code. If you're on a public network, consider switching to a more secure and stable connection. Assuming your internet connection is solid and the problem is still there, it could be time to manage your account settings. Start by opening your Windows settings, go to Accounts, and navigate to Email Accounts. Ensure that your Microsoft account is properly linked here. If you notice it's not synced, click on Manage and follow the prompts to re-authenticate your account. This often resolves issues related to account mismatches. Next, another effective solution can be found by unlinking and then relinking your Onedrive account. To do this, open Onedrive, click on Settings, then Account, and select Unlink this PC. Don't worry, this doesn't delete any of your files. After you've unlinked the PC, sign back in with your Microsoft account. This action often refreshes the connection and clears up the error. Still facing trouble? You might need to update your Onedrive app. Older versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues, so make sure you're running the latest version. Go to the Microsoft Store or the Onedrive official website to download and install any available updates. If all else fails, consider resetting the Onedrive app. This is a bit more drastic but sometimes necessary step. Type a CMD in your Windows search, run it as an administrator, and type in the reset command for Onedrive. Restart your computer after this step. It gives the system a clean slate to work from. Finally, ensure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Onedrive. Check the settings to make sure Onedrive is set as an exception. By following these steps, you should have a good chance of fixing the Onedrive error code 0x8004de44. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your issue. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck.